YouTube channel. Today we are going to be painting nails for beginners, and we're going to trim them, cut them, and do all of that stuff. It's going to be loads of fun. So let's get into it. So what you will need is lotion. You can use any kind you want. And then what you will need is nail polish remover, a nail brush, a nail filer, some nail clippers, a cotton ball. You can use anything you want. I'm using this. It's like a flat thing. And a bowl of hot water and some nail polish. So first what you'll need is your nail polish remover and your cotton ball. The cotton ball, and dip it in the nail polish remover. Then you want to scrub your nail to get all the nail polish off. Now we get our warm water. I forgot that we had to add soap. And then put your fingertips in the warm water, and that helps all the dirt get out of your fingernails. And then get the nail brush and scrub them. But before you do that, you actually want to leave them in for a couple of minutes. Let's wait for 3 minutes. Now we want to trim our nails. If you want your nails still to be long, then just trim around to make a round shape, kind of like this. Just kind of round. Rub a nail file lightly under each nail at an angle. Gently file in long strokes in one direction. Do not file back and forth. That will damage your nails. Now get some lotion and rub it around your hands. Don't let it dry before you paint your nails. Now that our hands are all dried from putting our lotion on, let's get our nail polish and start painting our nails. So these are how my nails turned out. They're these pinky, sparkly color. I really like it, and they're all trimmed and all of that, and I love them so much. I hope you guys all liked this video. If you did, then subscribe and give me a thumbs up and comment down below what I should do next. Bye!